So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. If you want to see where visitors are coming from your Google site, here's how to track traffic on Google Sites. Firstly, sign into your GA4 account and select the Google Analytics property connected to your Google site. In the left-hand sidebar, click Reports. Then select Acquisition. Click Traffic Acquisition, then choose date range you want to analyze. You'll now see charts showing your website's traffic trend and how visitors are arriving at your site. Just scroll down to the table for more detailed breakdown for field traffic, and at the top of the table, just click drop-down menu. Select Session Source, then Medium, and the table will now show exactly where your traffic is coming from. For example, you might see sources such as Google with the medium organic, which represents visitors coming from Google search. You may also see Google or CPC, which represents visitors arriving through paid Google ads. You can use these reports to compare your traffic sources and see which channels are bringing the most visitors to your Google site. And that said, you can now use Google Analytics 4 to track where your Google Sites visitors are coming from and understand which traffic sources are performing best. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.